Quick, grab Daddy a cup of tea as you go by. Oh, is it a race?
It's a race!
Oh, we're going to have one either side of us, guys. Look. That one there. And that one there. Oh, that was noisy, wasn't it?
We're in the lead.
It's alright like that, but no more than that, baby, okay? No, don't grab the bushes. You might hurt yourself if you do. Mushrooms. Oh, look. Look at that, the driver's got a cup of tea on that one. No, that's it now. We've run out of tickets. Right. Oh.